everyone, I am Sunny from WMT CNC Industrial Limited. We are professional manufacturer for CNC machines and also conventional machines. Our machines are very popular in the international market. Why are they so popular? There are professional engineers and experienced workers in our workshop. They are very cautious in assembly line. Today, we will show you our CNC lathe machine, the CNC lathe CK6162. It is a small CNC lathe machine, but with 1 meter center distance. This CNC lathe machine is widely used in the factory. It is very useful for module making. First of all, let's learn something about the basic size, the specification. The center distance. The center distance is 1 meter. 1 meter center distance. The swing over bed. Swing over bed is 3020 millimeter. The spindle bore is 40 millimeter. 40 millimeter spindle bore, and the spindle motor is 4 kilowatt. 4 kilowatt spindle motor. For this CNC lathe machine, the standard chuck is 3-jaw chuck manual type. The size is 160 millimeter. 160 millimeter manual 3-jaw chuck is the standard chuck. Well, if you like some easier chuck, we also offer the hydraulic chuck if you like. Hydraulic chuck is also optional. On this CNC lathe machine, we install GSK CNC system. It is our Chinese local brand CNC. Even though it is Chinese local, we have English version. It is English buttons and also with English screen. The users can use it freely and easily. On the screen, there is a USB connection. The engineer can program on their computer and then copy the file to connect it on this. Then the CNC system can load it. There is a hand wheel coming along with the CNC system. Then the user can move the X, Y, Z axis very easily. You can see here, he can choose the axis first and then choose the fitting rate. Choose the fitting rate and the axis. Then use this hand wheel to move. The tool post installed on this CNC lathe machine is 6-position type. It is horizontal direction. So much for my introduction for the CNC lathe machine. As mentioned earlier, we also offer CNC milling machines and also conventional machines. If you are interested, just call us or send email to us. Welcome to send inquiry. We are always online to quote you. Thanks for your review. See you next time.